Welcome to the Dragon Quizzes! Have you ever wondered which mythical goddess you might be? Answer 15 questions, each in 10 seconds, and find out if you are Athena, the goddess of wisdom, strategy and strength. Isis, the goddess of magic, healing and motherhood. Freya, the goddess of love, beauty and war. Hecate, the goddess of magic, witchcraft and the night. Or Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, music and wisdom. Are you ready to find out? Then let's go! Which enchanted flower would you like to grow in your garden? Lotus that enhances creativity? Rose that brings love? Sunflower that brings peace? Violet that grants wisdom? Lily that grants healing? Your points, please. Which crown would you like to wear? Golden with diamonds, silver with aquamarine, golden with pearls, silver with obsidian, golden with emeralds. Keep track of your points. Where would you build your sanctuary? In a glowing moonlit forest? On a cliffside with ocean views? In a sunlit hidden valley? On a floating island in the sky? In a crystal-filled cavern? Your points? Which magical ability would you prefer to have? Communicate with animals and nature. Control fire, water, earth, and air? Heal any wound, physical or emotional? Seeing into the future and past? Communicate with spirits? Please note your points for this question. Which dress would you wear to your coronation? Golden with obsidian? Silver with diamonds? Purple with amethyst? Red with ruby? White gold with diamonds? Write down your points. Who would you trust to guard your sacred temple? All-seeing wise raven? Clever shape-shifting fox? Fierce fire-breathing serpent? Radiant celestial lions? Silent watchful stone golem? Don't forget to record your points. Which gift would you accept from a celestial being? Mirror that reveals the future? Harp that can soothe broken hearts? Dagger that grants courage and strength? Magical drink that gives eternal youth? Compass that points to hidden treasure? Your points? Which element do you like most? Thunder and lightning? Winter and snowfall? Forest and earth? Darkness and sunset? Air and light? Please note your points for this question. Which throne would you like to have? Golden with diamonds? Silver with azurit? Golden with pearls? Silver with amethyst? Golden with opal? Keep track of your points. Which creature would you become to defend your realm? Mighty troll? Powerful minotaur? Fierce mermaid? Fearsome serpent? Wise swan? Your points? Which mythical god would you like to rule alongside in your realm? Mystical Hades? Fierce Ares? Wise Apollo? Mighty Hephaestus? Powerful Poseidon? Please note your points for this question. What enchanted jewelry would you choose to own? Tiara that enhances intelligence and wisdom? Necklace that enables speaking any language? Ring that fulfills any wish? Earrings that allow reading people's minds? Bracelet that protects from any harm? Keep track of your points. What effects would you want from a magical potion? Find your true love? Grant the ability to fly? Instantly reach your ideal weight? Timeless beauty and charm? Absolute wisdom and perfect memory? Your points, please! What magical place would you create for everyone to visit? Library with infinite knowledge? Park where dreams come to life? Market with endless wonders? Sanctuary that grants peace? Theater showing past and future? Don't forget to record your points. If you could make one type of weather event magical, what would it be? Rain that grants wisdom? Fog that reveals hidden paths? Stars that grant wishes? Rainbows that lead to treasures? Thunderstorms that reveal hidden messages? Now count all your points for all questions together, please! If you had 0 to 110 points, you are Athena. Wise, strong, and deeply insightful, you excel at navigating life's challenges with grace and intelligence. Your strategic mind and sense of justice make you a natural leader, someone who others trust and admire. You are also fiercely protective of those you care about, ensuring that fairness and integrity are upheld. As a ruler, you would create a world where knowledge and fairness reign supreme. Remember, it's okay to let your guard down and show your softer side. Your warmth is a strength too. You have the unique ability to blend intellect with compassion, making you a truly balanced force. If you had 120 to 230 points, you are Isis. You are compassionate, nurturing, and deeply empathetic. You have an extraordinary ability to heal and support those around you. Your presence brings comfort and strength, helping others find their way through tough times. Your loyalty is unwavering, and you're always ready to stand by those you love. If you ruled the world, it would be filled with love, kindness, and a deep sense of community. Just don't forget to take care of yourself as you care for others. Your capacity to transform pain into healing is your true power, and your light shines brightest when you also nurture your own spirit. If you had 240 to 350 points, you are Freya. Vibrant, independent, and full of life, you inspire others with your energy, passion, and zest for living. Your magnetic presence draws people to you, and your fierce independence ensures that you remain true to yourself. You have a deep connection to the natural world, and your love for beauty and freedom is contagious. As a leader, you would foster a world of joy, freedom, and authenticity, where everyone feels empowered to be themselves. Remember to take moments of calm to keep your spark alive. Your adventurous spirit is your greatest gift, and your passion fuels the fire in others. If you had 360 to 470 points, you are Hecate. Mysterious, Wise and deeply intuitive, you have a profound understanding of both the seen and unseen aspects of life. Your ability to navigate transitions with grace makes you a powerful guide for others. You are drawn to the mysteries of life, and your insight allows you to see what others might miss. As a ruler, you would create a world where people embrace their inner strength and face challenges with courage. Stay grounded in the present, and your wisdom will shine even brighter. Your natural ability to lead others through darkness and into the light is truly remarkable. If you had 480 to 600 points, you are Saraswati. Graceful, creative, and endlessly curious, you are a beacon of knowledge and inspiration for those around you. Your love for learning and the arts makes you a guiding light, encouraging others to explore their own creativity and wisdom. You are calm and centered, able to find beauty and meaning in the world around you. As a leader, you would create a society that celebrates creativity, learning, and personal growth. Stay connected to the present and let your brilliance touch the lives of others. Your ability to merge intellect with artistic expression makes you a powerful force for change and enlightenment. Share your deity in the comments and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.